What's up guys, it's That Tech Guy here, and today I've got some seriously exciting news about the OnePlus 12. This phone is really shaping up to be a beast with some incredible specs that are going to blow your mind. We've got everything from a massive 6.7-inch AMOLED screen which has a sleek 2K resolution for super sharp images, to a lightning fast 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything look buttery smooth. It also comes with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is definitely gonna make this phone fly. But that's not all. Under the hood, OnePlus has packed a 5400 mAh battery and fast charging support that is seriously impressive. It comes with 100 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. You'll never have to worry about your phone running out of juice again. Now let's talk cameras, because this phone is designed for serious shutter bugs. The OnePlus 12 has a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary lens, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens, all of which were co-developed with the renowned camera brand Hasselblad. This means you can expect stunning shots every time you use your phone's camera, whether you're recording videos or taking photos. So all in all, this OnePlus 12 is definitely one to keep your eye on. With its gorgeous design, incredible performance, lightning fast charging and amazing cameras, it's definitely going to be a must-have phone for tech enthusiasts and photography lovers alike. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Until next time guys, peace out.